It's a super quiet night. I was way out there earlier. I'm just gonna do some casts from here and then go from there. Since the water is calm. I don't want to go in it and disrupt it right away, so I'll do a couple casts just to test it out. Cast number 2. Oh, that's my 3rd cast now. I saw some locals earlier. There it is. Whoa! Whoa! Where's my... Come on, baby. Come on. It's gonna breach. I was just about to say, I saw some locals earlier, and they said that they saw fish jumping. Come on, baby. This one has some fight in him. Fuck. Ooh. That's a nice bass. Holy mackerel. That is a nice bass 3rd cast. This bad boy's tangled in. Shoot. Whoa. Whoa, this is a hefty, a hefty bass. Wow, look at that. 3rd cast. That's a nice big old bass.